A fluid is in streamline flow across of a horizontal pipe of variable area of cross section. For this, which of the following statement is correct? The velocity is maximum at the narrowest part of the pipe and pressure is maximum at the widest part of the pipe. Or velocity and pressure both are maximum at the narrowest part of the pipe. Or velocity and pressure both are maximum at the widest part of the pipe. Or the velocity is minimum at the narrowest part of the pipe and the pressure is minimum at the widest part of the pipe. So we need to know here the concept. Some points here. According to the equation of continuity, that is continuity equations gives AV is equal to constant. Therefore, velocity is the maximum at the narrowest part and the minimum at the widest part of the pipe. According to Bernoulli's theorem, for a horizontal pipe, that is a P plus 1 by 2 rho into V square that is equal to constant. Then hence, when a fluid flow across a horizontal pipe of variable area of cross section, its velocity is maximum. Okay, means as the area it is gradually decreases. That means at the narrowest point, the velocity is maximum. Velocity will be maximum. And the pressure minimum at the narrowest point. By the same time, the pressure will be minimum and the velocity will be maximum. And at the widest part, the velocity will be decreases and the pressure will be increases. That is vice versa. Okay. Then we can see from the option, the velocity is maximum at the narrowest part of the pipe and the pressure is maximum at the widest part of the pipe. Yes, this is correct. So, option A is our right answer.